Welcome to the Inner Life 101. And we have a video here where Umi is leaving. Thank God. Oh my God. I saw the video last night. I actually tried to do a live, and I went, with this whole process and doing all that talking and recording and everything, and then it didn't go through. So hopefully I'll be able to do that soon. But as I say, with this channel, I want to give a spiritual perspective on Nature Boy's teaching, basically to debunk his teaching. On this channel, I want to do other teachings as well, but I don't want to debunk them. I want to basically expound on other teachings as well. But with someone like Nature Boy, he has to be debunked. I feel that that's important to not let him get away with these kind of tactics that he's using to manipulate women into being a part of his cult. Um, he definitely was trying to manipulate her by saying the crazy things that he was saying. For instance, talking about the woman's muscles and the man's muscle, comparing them. And he speaks about biology, but yet he don't understand muscles, and that's just crazy. In homesteading here in America, those women got out of those wagons and they helped build those cabins. They had to, because many oftentimes the weather was coming, or it was cold, and the weather probably was snow on the ground, and they had to do whatever they had to do to get the cabin built so that they have a roof over their heads. So a woman could not sit around with capable hands. She had to do something. So to give that, to go through that is just such a falsehood. And like I say, with the muscles, women back then had muscles because they worked on the farms, they worked on the homestead, and they had to carry water. They had to do just about everything in there that a man had to do. They had to work the fields. They had to do everything because when they didn't have money to hire anyone, they were just building their homestead up. They had to work together. And women did have muscles. And even the girls, that the women that they're now with him, are in a sad state because they don't have muscle. Their muscles are eating away. And what he don't understand, that women do have muscles, and women must build their muscles just like men have to build their muscles. But women don't look like men because they don't have the testosterone. Okay, they have estrogen, and that estrogen creates, facilitate more fat in the body so that she can bear children and all of that. And but she must have strong muscles. Muscles is not about, and see, you would think he would know this because he works out and everything. Muscles also make you feel not strong to fight anybody, but strong enough to feel healthy. Strong muscles make you feel like I'm in good health. I feel healthy. So he should know that, but to limit a woman to say, well, she shouldn't have muscles, that's basically what he did last night. Is saying that you shouldn't even have muscles because a man is supposed to have the muscles, and the man is there to be a protector and a shield. His muscles is some kind of a shield. No, no. Women have muscles too. He is just totally just manipulating. That's all he's doing. He's manipulating. He knows better. But then again, watching him, you know, I'm not sure if he knows better or not, because he's just says things. He's just out there. He really don't think about what he's saying, you know? So Anyways, let's hear Umi see what she has to say.
Hey, y'all, Umi, come here. Even exist. What you whipping up, yo? What is that? What's that? Cheese sauce? Umi is ready for y'all. Y'all have it ready. You can have it. Y'all take Umi, man. Give us somebody else. Give us somebody else. If y'all get her, we want somebody else. Hey, Umi, they looking for you. They looking for you. The people. They looking for you. Want her down. They want her downstairs. Yeah, they want to talk to you. Go ahead, sit. You ain't in the kid cooking, so they seen it like, hold up, where the fuck Umi at? Where the fuck Umi at, yo? Umi dope. We want to see Umi. You tainted her. We don't want to. All right, sir. They want to ask you questions. Y'all ask you. I feel bad for her. Oh, Umi ain't weak. Take me, Chief. We love you. I'm just reading comments. You ready to go home, they said? Tell her follow me. I don't know who that is. What's going on, Umi? Umi, where you going? Oh, she said I'm going back to Babylon. She said, look, somebody said, don't go back. You already in Babylon. Not back, you already in Babylon. Why are you leaving, Umi? I'm leaving because... Hold on, let's turn me down. Hit the little volume button on the side. Hit the volume button. Umi. Yeah, you, motherfucker. No, right there on the side. On the side. Up there. Yeah. On the side button, the phone. No. Your finger. Your finger. Your finger. Turn it down. Okay, there you go. Okay. Why are you leaving? Multiple reasons. Let her stay. Shut up, Monica. Nah. So the first reason. That wasn't why. Whatever. So the first reason why I'm leaving is because like I can't get it. We disagree when it comes to women. We disagree. Okay, when it comes to what we disagree about? I don't believe that a woman should spend the majority of her time dealing with being in the kitchen and all of that. She don't believe that woman places in the kitchen and the home. Yeah, I don't believe that. What do you believe? I believe that everyone should be able to do. What the places are for the woman? What's a woman's purpose? Like I said, I already explained this. I really don't want to get into it again. Like, okay. I really don't want to get into it. You're sober now, though. Okay, I'm sober. I'm sober, but I'm in a fucked up mood, too. Why are you in a fucked up mood? It's your decision. You said you decided to go. It's my decision. It's the way that I was getting up on. I didn't like that. Oh, you felt ganged up on? You felt attacked? Of course I felt attacked. Okay. Of course I felt. How would you, how about you? You violated us because you came here to understand what we stood for. So came into a group of people, and then that's the point. How you gonna feel ganged up on when you joined a group of people? You're right, but listen. What I want you to do, you think that was your intention to come here? Obviously, it was a misunderstanding. No, I told you why you came. Okay. You came because you were Aryan. You ain't exactly. You ain't study all the details. Yeah, I didn't study the details. And Aryan people be like, what? Okay, I'm gonna do it and I'll figure out the rest later. Right? I don't got it. I just want to do this shit. I do this shit. And then you ain't understand. You ain't understand the details of it. Yeah. And then now you see the details of it and you don't agree with it. Yeah, but if you know that I'm not trying to be disrespectful. You know it wasn't intentional for me to be disrespectful. Yeah. You know it was a misunderstanding. I ain't trying to disrespect you either. But that's how I felt, though. I didn't like. I feel like we could easily say you disrespecting us and everything we stand for. But you know that it wasn't intentional. You know that wasn't. No. And I don't think anybody intends to disrespect you here. Oh, okay. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So you feeling like that is false because we didn't intend to make you feel like that. Okay, but like. I like the outfit. I'm thankful. See? Put me in a situation. Put me in a situation like where it has to be not once but twice. Where it has to be me against everybody. That shit, like, I'm not feeling that shit. And nobody's gonna be feeling it. You don't agree to at home a homemaker. You don't believe a woman is should be a homemaker. You don't believe that. That's her place. You don't believe a woman's place is at home.
I disagree. I think what you're saying, I feel what you're saying. I think it's an oversimplification of a woman. I don't agree with that. And I knew. And this is what I said.
And so you said yourself that you don't like to cook. Did you or did you not say you don't like to cook?
I don't like to cook.
Okay. So in Babylon, when it was time to eat, what did you do?
Well, how is this relevant?
No, this is very relevant because we're talking about what a woman places. You said that you don't know how to cook, that you don't like to cook. You ain't your thing. You don't like to cook. Okay. And on top of that, in Babylon, when you was time to eat, what did you do? You ordered out. Uber Eats. That's how you live.
Every time.
Okay, now you have no children. You have no children.
I have no children.
No husband.
No husband.
How are you supposed to protect and provide for you? How are you supposed to nurture your family? I'm sorry, man. How you don't cook for yourself.
Listen.
You ain't gonna cook for your kids. You ain't gonna cook for your husband.
Listen.
So you're not gonna be a homemaker, and you don't think that a woman, her basic thing should be being a homemaker. You don't believe that.
What I don't believe is that a woman, every woman, and I'm not speaking for everybody. I'm saying that I don't believe that every woman should have to spend 99.9% of her time
being a homemaker.
Facts.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't want to go.
Look at this nigga in the background. Look at his face.
I don't want to go into it again. I don't want to go into it. I'm trained. I'm talking about this again and again and again and again.
Okay.
I don't want to go into it.
We don't have to go into it. So you don't feel like a woman should be a homemaker. Okay, we get it. We get it. Huh?
What if you flip the roles? Like, what do you think that a man is supposed to be?
I don't look. I'm not in the mood to get into a debate. It's not that I'm not.
The people
I'm
want to
not
know.
in the mood. Look, I've been drained this shit. People, are y'all listening? I've been fucking having the same conversation multiple days, hours on end.
Hours on end. Calm down.
I'm over.
You did not talk about nothing yesterday. Nothing. Wait, stop, because you lying now. Because you ain't say nothing. You went into isolation and took a whole day rest. Today, we're simply asking the reason why.
And that has to give.
Okay.
I want to talk about things to the woman, but I'm not getting into.
Okay, so basically, so we got the reason. The reason is because you don't believe that a woman should.
So that was my initial reason for leaving.
Wait, because now see. No, wait, let's go. But I'm always gonna bring clarity. That was the author of confusion. I'm always gonna bring clarity. I'm the opposite of that. So clarity is this: you decided to leave because you couldn't agree, or never be that woman to be a homemaker.
Yeah.
That's
like,
what you,
listen.
Did you understand what I'm saying to you?
I feel what you're saying.
Right, we're gonna go. I'm gonna let you go. I just want to get this clear.
Okay.
The reason why you said I can't fuck with you because I don't believe that a woman should be a homemaker.
The reason why I said that I want to leave, I don't fuck with this shit, is because I don't want to do that. And I know I'm not going to do that. I know I'm never going to be
a homemaker. You're never going to be a homemaker.
Stop. Listen, I said this multiple times. I'm willing to do what's necessary for the team. So if I got up in the kitchen, learning how to cook vegan food was one of the reasons why I wanted to come here. It's not that I'm against cooking. It's what I'm against is the idea that I am forced into a particular role just because of my genitalia, just because of my anatomy. That's what it is. I don't believe that
a woman should be a homemaker.
I don't believe that every woman, and this is how I'm going to say it, and then I think we can leave it at that because I don't see what else needs to be said. I don't think that every woman, every personality, every energy of woman needs to be spending 99.9% of her time in the home, in the kitchen, clean. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, where should she be? Where should she be? Just relax, yo. I'm asking you a simple question. Now you under pressure. I'm asking where does she belong at?
Look, I'm drained.
Alright, forget it. Fuck it, it's over. Don't worry about it. It's over. I'm draining you no more. Don't worry about it. Ain't gonna talk no more. Go ahead, get that. Cause you trying to get out of hand. So just go ahead, get that.
So that's it. She's leaving. So that's good. And he said she was they're getting ready to take her to the airport now. So she had no business going over there, number one. Well, because she did, that part of it she probably didn't look and see, and I'm noticing most people, just like, what's her name, Khadija. What, she followed him about 4 months and ran her butt down there, and not knowing him, not following not looking at the videos and stuff, because they don't want to hear all that teaching and stuff. So they go and look at few little videos, and they're like, hey, I want to go camping. Oh, that'd be cool. I like to, and then you go down there and you see you got this big old baboon over you, and this thing is crazy. This is some kind of messed up kind of animal. He's not a human being. And I could say one thing about Eligio, who is supposedly um, God and the Black Jesus, and all these other good people who have worked hard in their lives to become what they were, um, if they existed. um, he's not a kind person. The religion that the Bible, he quoting the Bible and stuff all the time, or starting to quote the Bible. And one thing he is missing is to be kind. And he's not a kind person at all. So he jokes around and plays around and stuff and make people think that he's cool, but in reality he's not kind. And that's it. So everyone, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace and blessings.